I started out with some clear flower-shaped beads that I pressed into the edges of the silicone mold. Then I took the clear resin that I had already mixed and poured it just over the flower beads. I want to get those set in place first before I add the rest of the resin. While I waited for that to cure, I went ahead and popped out my teeny little baby that I made using resin that I tinted with pink alcohol ink. I've got 3 bowls of resin ready to add my paint to. First, I'm using this pretty green gold color. I'm going to pour a little bit in and then just mix that carefully. Again, you don't want to mix too fast because you'll get a lot of bubbles in it. I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm ready to mix my gold paint into the resin. This last cup isn't going to get any paint. Instead, it's going to get some fun glitter to add some sparkle to this project. Now for the fun part. We're going to swirl all these colors together to create a really cool background. Last but not least, I'm going to take my craft stick and just kind of swirl the colors a little bit and then set this aside to cure for 24 hours.